As you sit, you feel the base of the body becoming heavy. If you'd like, it's optional. You can join the index and the thumb. And just notice as you're settling into your pose that the mind slowly calms down and follows the energy of the body. And of course, this is always true. If the body is rushing and running around, then we overstimulate the mind as well. Sometimes it's the overstimulated mind that makes the body rush around. Bring your awareness to your heart, aware of the heart center. Each time you breathe, you're expanding into the heart center. It's almost like you're breathing from there directly. As your heart is expanding with your breath, begin to feel gratitude for this body. What a wonderful thing it is to have a body. Really bringing the attention and the awareness deep inside the body. Connect to the legs and the feet. And just notice whatever they're touching. What do they feel like? And become aware of the hips. And sensing if there's any tension there. Just see if you can create a little bit of space. Imagining the hip joint deep inside where the leg meets the body. Becoming aware of the lower back. And bringing the awareness up the spine, towards the middle back and then between the shoulders. base of the neck. And then where the neck meets the skull, soften that place. Just where you feel the skull and the spine connecting. Create space. It can help to be more aware of the back of the head, back of the body. It can also help to just draw the chin inwards towards your throat, just tucking the chin ever so slightly. Becoming aware of the crown of the head. Then bring the awareness down through the front of the body, the forehead. Relax your forehead. Smooth it out and widen it. Softening the eyes, widening the eyes. The cheeks. The jaw. Bringing the awareness inside the body now, starting with the tongue. And feeling where the tongue meets the throat. Soften that space. And just keep following it down towards the heart. Creating space all around the heart. Then surrounding the heart, feeling the lungs, especially as you breathe the next time, observing the lungs expanding. Just joyfully, relaxed, inhaling softly, nothing forced. How wonderful it is to breathe. Bringing the awareness down now to the stomach. Aware of any tension in the stomach, letting that go. Each time you exhale, sensing that you can create more space between the stomach and the heart. Softening, letting go. And yet you maintain your upright position. So there's something different happening to keep you upright. And it's not requiring any tension in the abdomen. Feel deep inside, behind the lungs, under the ribs on the right side, your liver, pink and happy. And smile at your liver, being so grateful every single day, working hard to purify the body, to cool you down, to create a clean environment so you can live freely. And deep down into the abdomen, feeling the intestines. And once again, soften deep inside. So not just the outer muscles of the abdomen, but right inside the body. Can you soften? Creating ease, relaxation, deep inside the body. Can you sense where the colon is? It's easiest to feel the descending colon right down to where you're sitting, grounding you, symbolic of everything we can let go and release back to the earth. Letting go of the weight, any tension, any effort to control, just being here for a moment. And the miracle is that just sitting here, not controlling, not trying, the body does everything it needs to do perfectly, without your help, without needing your opinion. And feel how wonderful it is to sit like this, just enjoying the body, sensing the base of the body being held by the earth, sensing the rest of the body freely moving as you breathe. Very slowly, taking the next breath a little more intentionally. Fill yourself up and exhale with a sigh. Release any pattern of holding that still might be there. And do that again 2 or 3 more times. Inhaling through the nose. Return to your normal breathing and bring the hands together. Rub the palms. Creating some friction, deliberately energizing the hands, making them warm. And then lightly cover your eyes with your palms. Let the tips of the fingers rest at the head. Barely touching, just letting the eyes rest completely deep inside. Feeling the surface muscles of the eyes relax. Feeling the gaze soften. Muscles deep inside the head relaxing. And in your own time, open the eyes inside your hands. Get used to the light. And then lower your hands.